If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hey Photos family! Today we are talking about our storytelling and specifically the part that is the twist. In a story plot, when you read a book or you're listening to an audiobook, you're watching a movie, you know what? I can't really say 90% or more are based off of a book, but a lot of videos, if you look at the end or the beginning, you'll find in a lot of videos they'll say based off of true story or based off of this book. I mean, it's just all over the place. So really, videos play into this, but the other key we've talked about before, videos don't have an advantage over stills, over photography, because if there were key stills missing in a video, it wouldn't make sense. So even in videography, cinematography, they require the use of stills. Intriguing. So the twist. What is this twist? Where do we come up with this desire to create more questions? I'm just going to suggest this. As we're drawing out the detail of what a twist is, the twist really is its own hook, isn't it? So we're about halfway through our storytelling, or we're in the last half of our storytelling, and we create a twist. Oh my goodness, at the very end, everything was going to be worked out, and we were hoping for a great resolution, and now things have gone really bad. How's this going to be fixed? We've got to work this out here and find out what the really true right end of the story or the conclusion is. And it's right after the twist we have a resolution. So stay tuned for the resolution, but the twist here, what in the world? The twist is its own hook? That's what I've come to see and understand. Leave a comment down below. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you have something that you've seen something in the twist that I haven't of all storylines. But this is the other side to what I want to leave you with in a twist for this specific idea and thought process is the twist creates its own draw. It creates its own, I never saw that before, or it's a whole question of, now that I see the twist and I see details being added or something being changed, it leaves up a whole new question set of what has transpired, of what's coming next, because everything that I did have information for is now completely changed, and I'm seeing some possible loopholes in all of the back scene, such as this twist. Now, I'm going to change a little bit in direction so that I have yet a continuing alteration in this story. But you see how, even in this video, it's a simple change, but it created a change in my environment, my atmosphere. And that change is enough of a twist to go, oh, I didn't see that coming. If I did see it coming, I anticipated something like this because I know that photographer's style or the author's style or whatever the case may be. The quality of the change is important. The direction of the change is important. And how thoroughly it changes the perspective of the viewer is important to be able to see change and alter the course of the photograph, the video, the book, the audio book. I mean, you see what I'm saying? There's so much that can be done to alter, change, or create a twist that itself creates a new hook, a new interest, and more questions to generate the interest of looking at this photograph for the next 10 to 15 minutes, or maybe it's just 10 to 15 seconds. But I think it's also that twist that either is some connection in our imagination in our memories that we keep coming back to look at these photographs. I would say in the item of telling our story, you look at a lot of good photographs that we are connected to and draw emotions out of us. One that I'm kind of looking at, but past my my camera, my video camera here, is one that my wife took when she was on vacation. It reminds me of some relaxing vacations. Even though I didn't go on that vacation with her, there are times where I have similar memories and experiences that I think back to when I look at that photograph. It's one of those iconic shots that almost everybody likes to look at and enjoy, of trees in the background with the end of the hammock, almost as if from your own perspective of laying in the hammock, you're looking past your feet at the end of the hammock into the trees and the skies. It's a beautiful shot. But that's kind of the point, is it has a hook, it draws you in, it connects you to a memory, and you're looking at the ambiance, the story behind it. It gives you a twist of, you expect a breeze and you hear some birds or the ocean on the beach next to you, or maybe you're not even at the beach, but you're connecting to something else, and a little bit of a twist of, you expect to see something passing by or something blowing. A kite in the sky that comes in and then goes out. The twist doesn't have to be dramatic or dangerous. The hook can just be something of motion, intrigue. But there has to be something coming after that, and we'll be addressing those two items in our next episodes. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to your comments down below and a thumbs up so other people can see the content. But we also, if you're not yet a subscriber, love to have your subscription and welcome you into our Photos family. Thank you so much. God bless.